Hello all, welcome to Brain Gym. So in previous video I just show you how to create your profiles and settings in Meesho. So in this video I can going to guide how to earn the income from Meesho. So yes, this is Meesho. We discussed it about this profile later, right? So we need to go home page, search by keyword at product ID. So just we have to commonly search a thing. I just go with a kurti. Yes. So the main thing is Meesho provides a products in very low cost. Yes. So these are all the products, and I will choose this. Yeah. So if we like this, we can easily add this in our wish list, or we can easily share this with these platforms. So along with, are you reselling this product? Yes. No. So just observe this. Yes. So when you only need to share the products, you can easily download the products. After that you can share. But when you need to share along with the description of the product, you can go with direct. So I was going to choose WhatsApp. Yes. Like this. So this is for image and this is for description, right? So you have to share this 2 times. After that, so if you like this product or one of your customer like this product, you need to order this to them. So the size is M. This is the description. This image stores from store. Followers and products. So we previously I showed you, right, like your followerships. So when you follow this, you can easily get updates from this. Delivery date. So don't look. Yeah. So I give here 521201 and the estimate delivery was 21st July. Dispatched in 1 day. Lowest price, cash on delivery available. 7 days returns. These all are related searches. So you need to buy now. If you have to order a different kind of products to the same address, you can choose this option, add to cart, or only one product to the one address, you can directly go for buy now. So there is two costs. All issues easy returns allowed for 366 rupees, or only wrong and defect item returns are allowed for 343 rupees. So there is no certain difference in this price, but you can easily proceed with what your comfort. Size is M, buy now. So this is if you click this, you can easily go and check the product description again, or select delivery address. So this is like reselling platform, right? So there is a lot of addresses. If you want to keep address, or if you have to sell this product to your previous customers, you can go with their address. But if you have to sell this to the different customer, you can easily add new address here. So this house number, some number, area name, pin code, city, state, famous place or schools, contact numbers. save address and continue. Here the address is ready. Continue. Next is payment base. You can use these options like UPI, wallet. Wallet offers also available. Debit and credit cards, net banking, cash on delivery. So this is the main option, reselling the order. So in this only you can easily add your margin. If you were ordering for yourself or without profit, you can go with no. But if you need a profit, you can go with S. So the product cost is 347 rupees, but you have to sell this to 550 rupees. So your margin is 203 rupees. Submit. So you don't have. Okay, sorry, recently it is updated. Order total 347 plus your margin. So when you are going with 550, your margin is 203 rupees, right? So here you need to add 203 rupees. No, sorry, 400. Your margin is 53 rupees. Cut this topic. So yes, reselling the order, right? Reselling. And you need to add your income. For example, you are going with 500, submit, but there is no allowing more than 50 rupees, right? So you go with 400. 53 rupees is your margin and you need to submit it. Place order. Please select payment method to continue, right? So cash on delivery. Right. Order is confirmed. So this is the process we are going and adding our margin. So but not all, there is no margin, certain level of margin to all the products. Some products is only allowing this. So track order. This is all. When you have to cancel, you can easily cancel your order here. Select reason, wrong contact number, wrong, enough. Cancel product. So these are the details to adding a revenue, everything. After that, this is your categories, right? Categories, all. You can go easily select and go with all. There is a lot of things. After my orders, in this you can easily track your orders, like all orders. These are the ordered things, shipped things, like which is on progress, delivered products. These are the cancelled products. It is exchanged products, returns, others, like when the delivery boy went to the home for delivery but the persons are not in home, right? Like rejected products, like this thing. So this is all. And sometimes you will get a notifications from Meesho alerts about, like, when we are searching for a particular thing that is not at the time, that is not in stock. So we will turn on notifications like remind me when product is available. So you can easily get the notification here when after product is available, and your activity, like your orders and your cancellation, everything. And this is your community. So here you can easily get different kind of bits, like bits on wonders of the marine world. You have to answer here on different kinds of myths. Announcements. This is the product zone. Fun and entertaining reselling tips. Questions, lifestyles, inspirations, and Meesho. Completely on Meesho. And posts. When you are going to post your customer review, you can easily post here, or when you are a supplier, you can easily supply your products here. So this is the thing, right? So this is all about Meesho, guys, and Do you have any queries regarding this topic, or do you have any queries regarding another topic also? Not only this, do you have any doubts, or do you want to learn anything? So do you have any queries regarding another topics also? You can easily comment in comment section. I will go through comments, and I will easily solve the question do you have. So this is all about Meesho. We will catch up next time. Bye.